Friends, everybody, good evening. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you, TDX, SSN, giving me opportunity on behalf of Dabawala. For the first time in my life, after 550 sessions, I am delivering first time in 18 minutes. Give me best wishes. I will complete it. Friends, as far as Mumbai Dabawalas are concerned, in Mumbai, these people are excellent. I am going to speak about the story. Believe me, you will learn a lot, provided you must have that passion to listen to them and to follow them, how they are working in Mumbai, friends. Basically, many people believe that Dabawalas means they are caterers. Let me tell you, Dabawalas are not caterers. Tiffin is yours and food contained in this is also yours. What we are doing in Mumbai, we are delivering your tiffin from your home to workplace before lunchtime. And lunch is over, we will deliver empty tiffin in the evening at home on the same day. It means we are doing 2 deliveries in a day. Friends, in Mumbai, you cannot carry tiffin yourself. The reason, you start very early morning in the morning. Even you want to reach at home 9 o'clock, you may start 6 o'clock. You don't want your mother or wife should cook 5 o'clock. So you cannot carry, you should carry your tiffin. Second reason, you cannot carry tiffin. The reason, crowded local train. In Mumbai, it's very difficult to board in local train with empty hand. Taking tiffin is out of question for you. You cannot carry yourself. So you want Dabawala in Mumbai to carry your tiffin. We believe that home cooked food is most hygienic food. The reason, it have love and affection of your mother and wife. So we want you should eat home cooked food. That is Mumbai Dabawala. Friends, these people believe in God, Ganesha, Jnaneshwara. They are Warkari Sampradaya people. This business started before 1890. हिंदी में कहा जाता है, हम अंग्रेज जमाने के जेलों तो नहीं है, लेकिन हम अंग्रेज जमाने के डब्बे वाले जरूर है. Because we are delivering from 1890, friends, 1890. In 1890, one Dabawala, one customer. As on today, we will see, we are having 5,000 Dabawalas and 200,000 customers. It means one Dabawala can carry 40 tiffins. That is the maximum weight he can carry. That can have 60-65 kg they are carrying. In crowded local train in Mumbai, friend, they all are average 8th grade schooling. 50% Dabawalas are illiterate. They do not know reading, writing. But suppose they want to deliver tiffin in SSN college. Being illiterate, they know this is SSN. Because tiffin should be delivered in SSN. Literacy of work. Friend traveling 60 kilometers, 70 kilometers, 8 to 9 hours they believe. Ownership of 8 to 9 hours. But morning 3 hours are war time. Why? Customers should deliver tiffin in time. In 120 years, not a single time it happened. Your lunch time started, Dabawala not yet came. Impossible. Impossible. They will not tell you trains are late in Mumbai because trains are running every day late in Mumbai. We cannot come late. Friends, so commitment, so passion, structure is there. They don't know what is structure. Dabawala says this is stature. When I spoke on Dabawala, it was stature, structure. What he answered? No problem, sir. If stature is strong, patient goes to bed. If structure is strong, tiffin goes to customer. That's it. That's the belief. Friends, the last is what this Mukadam. All you know, Mukadam is group leader. We have 10, 20, 30 Dabawalas, one group. In one group, the highest age member is a group leader. He controls whole activities of the group, of the members. Friends, so passionate. Group leader is not getting single rupee extra income, but he controls the whole activities. Why? He get the opportunity to become the group leader. Friends, see working of Nutan Mumbai Tiffin Box Supplier Association. Very first is error rate 1 in 16 million transactions. Can you imagine? Because Dabawala believes that as you are giving claps, my seconds are reducing. So please listen to me more. Friends, one error not there. This one error disclosed by qualified people. Dabawala says we don't have any error because error is horror. Don't go into mirror, it is danger. Don't do error. That they believe, friends. Can you imagine this? Friends, they got 6 Sigma, Phukat and without application. They got 6 Sigma certification. Now nobody can got in the world 6 Sigma certification without application. Dabawala got. Imagine, friends. That too without technology. Their technology is their brain. They believe this is computer and this is computer cover. Like that they feel. Everything is in the mind. 40 customers' name, number, address, everything in their mind, friends. How much they charge, my dear? Per month, 350 rupees. If you calculate, per day it comes 11 to 12 rupees. Friends, in Mumbai, a courier man charge for a small delivery 15 rupees, a small delivery. They do 2 deliveries and charging 11 to 12 rupees. Why? Customers should have economically feasible. If we increase, customer will discontinue our services. Because customers should sustain, we charge less. And how much they earn? 5 to 6,000 per month average. Friends, if you work in Mumbai for 10 months, 2 months, suppose you posted to Chennai, sir, Dabawala will take charges only for 10 months, not for 12 months. Because they believe, I served you 10 months, not 12 months. My child goes to school for 7 months, bus wala charge for 12 months, not for 7 months. Is it right? But Dabawala charge only for 10 months. Why? Customer is a God. They believe my customer mera Bhagwan hai. They feel that you are a God, friends. Work is worship. And see, they want extra income. But even they want bonus without condition. Sometimes, some customer refuse to pay bonus. If suppose one customer refuses to pay bonus, he will not discontinue your services. Why? If I discontinue, then my customer will remain without food. So better I should supply food. I asked one Dabawala, he is not paid bonus. Why you are supplying? What he answered? Sir, he has not paid bonus, but he paid for 12 months. For 1 month bonus, if I discontinue, I will lose 12 months salary. What is to sacrifice? 1 month bonus or 12 months salary? 1 month bonus, no problem. And that's the reason, in 120 years, no strike record in the history. Imagine. Friend, disputes are there. Disputes, opinions, we also dispute. But even we have dispute, no police case, no court case. We don't have legal department at all. Because we don't require. So excellently. What I meant to say, work satisfaction. Because of work culture. Not only Dabawala. Let me speak some examples. How Dabawala customers are satisfied. I asked one customer, are you satisfied with the service? Customer replied, oh, they are excellent. What excellent here? Tiffin is yours. Food content is yours. What excellent they give? What he answered? Sir, when I leave early morning, sometimes I forget my spectacles, my mobile at home. Then my wife sent through tiffin in my office. You will call value-added services by Dabawala, free of charge. They give. Can you imagine? One customer told they are very excellent. We have full faith on Dabawala. Faith, they will not eat your food here. No, sir, when we get salary. What customer told me, when I get salary, I am afraid of to carry in my pocket. Then what you do? After eating food, he put salary in empty tiffin, and empty tiffin with salary, deliver Dabawala safely. Customer says. I have at least 18 examples, but I cannot give 18 minutes. One more example. One customer told me, Dabawala God for me. Why? One experience. What is that? He told me, sir, couple of months back, I disputed with my wife. Indian husband, you dispute, no problem. You have a right. No, I have beaten my wife. Mard hai na? No problem. After beaten his wife, angry young man, Indian husband, tootega lekin jhukega nahi. You know that? Can be cut down but not bent down. Even he has beaten his wife. Next day morning, took his bag, told his wife, I will not come back home. Our relation comes to an end. He went back. He went to office. Angry young man, Indian husband. As usual, 9:30, Dabawala came home. Indian wives, delay ke manta nahi. Even husband beaten, she want to deliver tiffin. Maybe the last tiffin is not going to come back, but she want to deliver. Friends, that Dabawala delivered tiffin in lunchtime. Tiffin delivered in office. In lunchtime, customer saw the tiffin. That angry young man, husband. But morning, angry young man now become the hungry young man. He opens the tiffin. He saw the written message on the top of the tiffin by wife. Oh, my beloved husband, I love you, Lord. Forget what happened in the morning. Eat my food, it is delicious. Wife given message to husband delivered by Dabawala. They do free service for you. Friends, husband also felt shy. In return, he want to do something for wife. He brought 2 cinema tickets, put in empty tiffin, return message to wife, I love you lot. That's it. Friends, I want to message you all, knowingly, unknowingly, customer is a God, but provided you should do passionately, provided you do it attitude approach and discipline, friends. They don't alcohol, no smoking during working hours, cap is compulsory, I-card is compulsory, no leave without prior notice in business, otherwise 1,000 rupees fine. Friends, how they work?
The Mumbai Dabbawalas are a
Volume.
close-knit group of 5,000 people of stamina, values and ethics. They are engaged in the business of collecting tiffin boxes filled with homemade food from different houses and distributing them at the workplaces of the earning members of these families in the pre-noon,
This man
and
is
returning
75
empty
years old.
boxes to the respective houses in the afternoon. They move 200,000 such lunches to 200,000 people working in different organizations.
Can you imagine, friend? 75-year-old man is working with the 65 kg because they believe I am the soldier of Shivaji Maharaj. I am very strong, and they work, friends. There is no retirement age. As on today, one man is of 79-year-old and working in the organization. Believe me, friends, in company, many Dabbawalas are working last 40 years, 50 years in one company. And industry people taught me attrition retention. Great. Can you imagine, friends? Sir, we have zero attrition rate. Not a single Dabbawala left in last 120 years, any organization, friends. Can you imagine this? I message you also work in the same passion, friends. This is the whole day schedule, how we work. Coding system, in the beginning we have color thread, then tags, then paint, then alphabet, and this is today's coding system. I'm sorry I cannot cover, time is very short. Our Kiruba is great. Friends, VLP is a Vile Parle, residential area of customer. E is a Dabbawala who will collect tiffin from Vile Parle. 3 number stand for working area. I'll repeat again. We do coding on the top of the tiffin. VLP stand for residential area of customer. Number E stand for Dabbawala who will collect from your residence. And your workplace working area is Nariman Point. E Dabbawala will collect from Vile Parle. This tiffin will travel from Vile Parle to Nariman Point. And at least 6 times this tiffin will mix by 6 group people. But will not mix, it will reach Nariman Point without any mix-up. At Nariman Point, Mr. 9 will pick the tiffin. He will deliver at Express Tower at a 12th floor. No address, no name, but delivery is perfect every day. Can you imagine? Friend, listen to me. This is a D'Souza, written by D'Souza himself, because he could not recognize his own tiffin. That's why he write name. Dabbawala knows your tiffin. You don't know which is your tiffin. So great you are. Volume. How this coding? Just see.
Every day with practically no mix-ups at all.
A
The
simple
answer
match
lies
stick.
in a coding system that is simple and
Simple
very
match stick,
effective.
friends.
This lunchbox, which contains the meals Swati has cooked for her husband, has been coded VLP 23 MT10 on the top, and Q3 is scribbled below.
Friend, no brush required, simple piece of paper, a simple matchstick becomes the brush. When you wash tiffin at home, sometime our coding is not visible. Any Dabbawala comes to know, he will remove color and will write with finger. He will not say it is not my job, he will do the job, because within organization everybody is responsible. So great, they is passionate of Dabbawalas.
That 200,000 of them are having it on all working days on time, thanks to the Mumbai Dabbawalas. The shelf life of these lunches are just 4 to 5 hours. Therefore,
Friend, luggage compartment they are traveling.
one tiffin box shifts hands in transit at least 6 times before it reaches its consumer in his office. The same is the case in its return journey as an empty tiffin.
How they do
Not
sorting?
the spontaneous sorting. Everyone is picking up his tiffins as per his delivery areas. Tiffins for areas with more density are transported on carts collectively. Some tiffins are on bicycles and some are personally taken by hand. From here, the tiffins move.
Friends, these are some when we lost business. This is a documentary made by UTV, MTV. A to Z TV made document on Dabbawala. Many awards. They got ISO Phukat without application. one among top 50 Indian entrepreneur influenced Mumbai, that is Dabawala. Many achievements. I had done PhD on them. It's my honor. Prince Charles came to Mumbai. Only 3 Indians invited, friends. But when Prince Charles came to India, Mr. Jitendra Jain, he told Dabawala, Mr. Dabawala, Prince Charles want to visit you. Dabawala told, I don't know who is Prince Charles. Oh, he's the King of London. Oh, King of London. I will allow him to visit, no problem. With 2 conditions. First condition, Prince Charles should come 11:20 to 11:40 because Dabawala free those time. That's why he should come that time. Second, we will not go to Prince Charles. Prince Charles should come to us. Where? Churchgate footpath. Friend, Mr. Jain asked, why you ask these conditions? What Dabawala answered? Sir, he is a great king, but our 2 lakh customers are greater king. We cannot disturb the customer for Dabawala's. Richard Branson, he came to Mumbai. He brought his own tiffin from London. Cap, we are honored, and he is excellent. He told, here we are great. Chief Minister came to inaugurate the book written by this lady. Sir, Chief Minister came, what he told in his speech, I always reach 1 hour after the function. But today when I came to Mr. Dabawala program, I came 5 minutes before the program. Why? If I was 2 minutes late, all Dabawala could have gone and it was insult for me. So he came in time. It means you should work in time consistently, not because CM is coming. That's what Mr. Dabawala given. Governor, Mayor, honor Dabawala after Prince Charles, not before that. Specialty of India. Many presidents. I have written one book on Dabawala. Really, they are great friends. Excellency, all over we got opportunity to deliver many places. Of course, you must be knowing, when Prince Charles was married, Dabawala invited only 3 Indians. Among 3 Indians, 2 were Dabawalas. And they are excellent friends. Even Flood, Prince Charles writing later, social commitment, they are excellent friends. Contributing some rupees for the association. Now we are giving education to Dabawala, maybe English, maybe computer with this. And really friends, thank you. You invited me because I require 30 minutes more.